You're back in your Weather on the One's forecast center. We have mix of clouds and sun for the afternoon, chance of a shower or thunderstorm. 69 was our low this morning at RDU International, fairly close to what we should have for this time of year. 87 is our 30-year average high, and 101 from 2007 is our record high. I don't think we're going to be anywhere near that. But we have a lot to talk about with the tropics. Out to the east, we have Tropical Storm Bill. Scooching here to the west, Tropical Storm Ana, and all the way in the Gulf of Mexico here, Tropical Depression 4 that may become Tropical Storm Claudette. It's amazing. You put your head down for a day and the tropics fire up. Let's talk about Ana. Moving to the west at 23 miles an hour with 40-mile-an-hour winds, Ana continues to be forecast to move westerly and now a little bit farther south across Hispaniola and toward the Gulf of Mexico, crossing over Hispaniola and losing a little punch there. And by the time getting to Friday, 45, actually 35-mile-an-hour winds in the Gulf of Mexico. But that is a week out, so we're going to continue to monitor that carefully. All right, Bill. Bill has 45-mile-an-hour winds moving to the west at 20 miles an hour. And as we go through the week, here's what happens. We get to Tuesday and starting to cross into that threshold of hurricane status with winds of 80 miles an hour, crossing the 100-mile-an-hour threshold, becoming a major hurricane by the time we get to Friday. So the models right now want to take Bill a little bit farther to the north and east and possibly affect New England, but could affect our coastline with some swells and some pretty good rip currents. So we're going to watch that very carefully. Now, let's talk about Tropical Depression 4. Tropical Depression 4 moving to the northwest at 14 miles an hour with 35-mile-an-hour winds right along the Florida Panhandle and is expected to become Tropical Storm Claudette later today and make landfall. And then by the time we get to Monday afternoon and Monday evening, a remnant low along the Gulf Coast states, and right now not expected to directly affect North Carolina. We do have a few clouds right now, but that's from a mid-level disturbance. We also have an upper-level low that's spinning along the U.S.-Canadian border. That's going to help funnel a little moisture our way, plus Bermuda high pressure. So we're going to have more of that summertime pop-up afternoon shower thunderstorm pattern as we get into next week. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, 68 for Wilson and Raleigh, 69 for Fayetteville, 70 for Lumberton. And as we get into the work week, we're going to see those temperatures again getting to around the 90-degree mark. As a matter of fact, 92 for Monday, 93 for Tuesday, 94 for Wednesday with that chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Thursday and Friday, a cold front from the west expected to approach the region, so we could see some scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms with highs near 90. Next weekend, also a possibility of storms and highs in the upper 80s.